Okay, welcome once again to Clark Construction Services Homework Help. Purpose of this is, of course, to prepare you for the exam on the second day. There's a lot of information in 2 days that you have to remember, and this is my way of trying to give you the best edge that you can have to pass the exam on the second day. So let's look at our next problem. It's going to be earthwork. Earthwork's pretty simple. If you can remember the formula, you won't have any problem with getting through any of the earthwork problems. So this is earthwork volume calculations by average end area method. Well, what does that mean? Well, if you cut out a portion of the roadway, which is our cross sections, and you were to look at it from a cross section point of view, the end area or the area of that cutout picture on one side is very simply just averaged with the other end area over a distance. So you'll have an end area on one side and an end area on the other, which is, in this case, we'll do area 1 plus area 2, which are both the end areas, times the length between those areas, divided by 54 is going to give us cubic yards. That's just, all that does is the 54, you could just area 1 plus area 2 divided by 2, times the length divided by 27, but instead of doing that, all they do is by dividing by 54, it's a little simpler. You just have to remember one calculation for it. So we got everything we need up top, and then we simply go down here to our stations. We have a very simple 403 to 402.50, so we only have 50 foot in length, which is up here, length, and area and volume, we have 0 and 0. So we know this is going to be 0 because we have 0 end areas. And then we have a 14 and a 10, 24, so the average end area is the 24 times the length, which is going to be the 54, divided by 54 to give us our regular excavation for that quantity. Regular excavation, remember, is everything to the template. You know, everything above the template to the bottom of the template, rather. And then subsoil excavation is below the template, and embankment is everything that is required to reach the template. So, and always remember that embankment plus subsoil is going to be equal to your total embankment quantity. Some designers may have it different, but what they want for this problem, we're going to look at subsoil, regular excavation, and embankment. So let's move on to our solution for this. Okay, so first of all, just like I said in the previous problem, remember area 1 plus area 2 times the length between the areas divided by 54 is going to give you cubic yards. No fractions. They don't want any fractions in here. So let's study this. 50 feet, 0 end area, 0 end area. We plug that into our formula and we'll come up with 0, of course. And we have nothing for subsoil excavation. So this is a very simple problem. Now the other one, of course, we're going to take our 14 plus our 10 times 50 feet divided by 54 is going to give us 22 cubic yards. So that's our regular excavation. And then our embankment, we're going to take our 15 plus our 21 for area 1 and area 2 times our 50 feet between areas, which is 403 to 402.50, divided by 54 is going to give us our 33. So now we have the solution to our problem. We have 0 subsoil excavation, so there would be 0 cubic yards. And our regular excavation is 22, and our embankment is 33. So nothing complicated about earthwork problems. If you see more problems in here, just remember to go through the steps. Use your scratch paper to go through and calculate each step. If there was another station in here, say 403, then we would be calculating out this end area with an end area on 403. Nothing real complicated about this. It's easy to do. And then, of course, remember, subsoil plus embankment is going to equal your final embankment. You need to remember that. Subsoil plus your embankment is going to equal your final embankment related to this course. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.